Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set availability using Calendly websites. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open any browser you will be using for this tutorial steps. For me, I'm using here Brave, but for you, of course, you can use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, or maybe like me Brave, or any other browsers could be working for you. Then you'd like to open your browser as we said. Then go here to the URL and type calendly.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that will actually be my home screen. As you can see, if I click that, that will actually be my home screen. And of course, if it's your first time using the websites, will not be your home screen like me. All you need to do, just go and create your account, and that will actually be your home screen as well. So from here, if you want to actually, as we said, set availability on a meeting, all you need to do, just go first of all and create a meeting. Of course, here you would like to choose one of those meetings. For me, I'm just clicking at event type, maybe one or group. Here I would like to add a name for me, test, location, whatever, maybe phone call, or okay, that needs okay, let's just do in-person meeting. And this test date, description, test, I'm just testing here, invite link, whatever, max invited in a spot, let's just do 4 as an example, and display remaining spots on booking page. Okay, why not? And then hit the next button. So here all you need to do, of course, is just set the date range. So as you can see here, invite can schedule like within a date range, identifying into the future, duration, how do you want to offer your availability for this event type. So this is what actually we're looking for in this tutorial. So you can actually use an existing schedule, or you can set a custom hour, and here you can add whatever you want, of course, or you can choose one of those, and of course you can even add a dates override. So then all you need to do, just click at next, and it will actually be saved. If you go now to your home screen, you will actually find it here and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.